Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to email TikTok. To get started, let's go to your browser. For now I'm going to Safari browser. Here enter tiktok.com legal report feedback. And now click on first link. Now select an option. Select the topic and select category. Enter your email address. And enter your username. Now enter additional detail. Let me write some random letters. And you can upload photo that is related to your problem. And then click on I ensure and click the next one. Now submit. In this way you can email TikTok support. That's for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.